Hi, Chave Weather here with a video looking at severe flash floods and landslides hitting Quito in Ecuador on January the 31st, 2022. Heavy rainfall caused mud and rocks to be carried down the slopes of the Pichincha volcano and into Quito. The rainfall was the worst recorded in around 20 years, with 75 litres measured per square metre. Mudslides swept away cars, with vehicles and buildings damaged by the force. Power cables were pulled down, causing electricity shortages. Emergency services worked to help those affected by the landslides. In low-lying areas, heavy flooding was seen as water collected. When floodwaters subsided, heavy mud deposits were seen, with residential and commercial areas ruined. Citizens were advised to remain in their homes. Rescue operations are underway, with the army assisting as the extent of the damage is being explored. Emergency shelters have been set up to help those affected. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.